Hi, I'm Vasudha Pansare, a retired professor of English from Bangalore. I want to thank Beyond the Box for selecting my story, and this is my story. A lifetime of love. They were born in the same town, in the same lane, and as neighbors were together for many years of school and college. Her father was broad minded and sent her to college and did not marry her off after school. He also agreed that she could marry her neighbor whom she loved. But they didn't get married. Instead, they plunged into the freedom movement. Following the Mahatma and the other stalwarts of the freedom struggle. It was so wonderful to be arrested together and put into prison. A wonderful, idealistic time when their first love was for their nation and then for each other. What dreams they had for the country, that it would be a great socialist secular democracy. There would be no poverty and the country would progress in leaps and bounds. Together they listened with tears to Pandit Nehru's midnight speech. Only after that did they get married in independent India. Under Pandit Nehru, India changed rapidly. Dams were built, agriculture got a boost, institutions of higher education were started. The IITs, the IIMs, the regional engineering colleges, etc., to name a few. Hospitals like AIIMS were built. Public sector units like HL, BHEL, etc. were started. New universities began to function. It was a wonderful, exhilarating time. Pandit Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi made India a developing nation. Rajiv Gandhi brought in the digital revolution, and Dr. Manmohan Singh liberalized the economy, and India became the fastest growing economy. Now they were old, very, very old, and extremely disappointed with India's story. A story of violence, corruption, increasing casteism, and so unsafe for women and children. Secularism was under threat. This was not the India of their dreams, and they were waiting to die. Thank you.